Welcome to Crypto News Hub. Catecoin has pumped by a lot, absolutely destroying all resistance zones and reaching the $0.000026 level, and then getting a pullback towards the $0.000015 level. At the time of making this video, it is trading at a price of about $0.000002. Before we begin the analysis, spam the comments section with CATE Army, and let's show the dog coins who the real boss is. Coming to the analysis, most investors and analysts are bullish on CATE at the moment, with most predicting a 20x run in the coming months. This is mainly due to the fact that CATE is currently at a market cap lower than $100 million. This gives it enough room to get to a $2 to $3 billion market cap just riding the hype and the trend. This is aside from the utilities that CATE provides, giving it an edge over dog-themed tokens. So once the trend runs out, we will still see bullish momentum for CATE as it continues to provide real-world value with the lure of a meme coin. Hit the subscribe button for daily crypto updates and watch these other videos as well. This is not financial advice. Trading involves risk. Do your own research or consult a financial advisor before you trade.